Hello everyone, today is Sunday and I haven't filmed a beauty video in a long time, and number one, I've been working a lot, and number two, I've been doing facials, like house calls, so I've been doing that like Saturday and Sunday, so it's been pretty busy on my end. And today I need to clean, so I decided to just do like a clean with me, organize with me. We're in my beauty room, so I have to like vacuum and disinfect and all that stuff. So I just thought, let me turn on the camera and we can organize, clean together. Got my coffee. Kirkland coffee is bomb. Cold brew, girl. You need to. Got my water to flush it out, because you know, dehydrates. Grandmas. Bien. This is where I keep my waxing supplies, and I use this kind of wax, which I'm kind of running out of, so I need to stock up on that. I turned off the camera, but what I did was organize my stuff, so I have everything organized in here finally. These are my facials. They look dirty. I just wiped them down, so I have to re-wipe them so that way they don't have that like nasty glare. And I finally organized my lash kit things here, thankfully, and I was able to fit all my dermaplaning stuff in this little organizer. These are actually storage picture organizers that I got at Michael's, so in case you're wondering. Bathroom. So I have tons to clean my makeup brushes, and it's just a mess in there, and I'm like not ready to tackle that, but I need to just wipe down here before I move on. Cleaning. I got towels clean, that's clean, that's organized, good here. I actually got a package from Amazon, which finally got probiotics. And I got these little flannel baby wipes. They're 100% cotton, and I'm gonna use them for my face because this book I'm reading from Caroline, she mentioned that these are good for your face. They're good for babies, so they're good for your face. So I'm excited to use that. And I got one of these for my hair because my hairstylist was like, get one of these for your hair. Which, thank goodness, Amazon all the way. And Elf came through today. I was surprised because they never open, or they never deliver on Sundays, at least I don't think. OMG. I'm surprised they dropped it off on Sunday. I'm excited. We got new goodies. I got a stipple brush for my cream contour because I don't have a brush for myself. Surprise, surprise. I got the new e.l.f. Retro palette, which I'm so excited to use. I'm going to be filming with that. I got the new e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. It's a coconut scent. I don't think it's new, but it was like a bestseller. And then I got their Jelly Dew Primer because I've been looking for a primer that's dewy for an affordable price. And then I got this Ride or Die Minty Mint lip balm from e.l.f., which I'm excited to freaking use. And then I chose the little Correct and Set eye powder from Banana, in the color Banana. And then I got this. They give you like 2 free gifts, so this is one of them, which is a lip tint. See how this goes. So pretty good day for mail. Influencer also came through, and they sent over the Stay Matte makeup primer. Oh my gosh, I used to use this in the past, like hella long time ago. And then their translucent powder, which I've never tried, so I'm excited to try. Okay, I gotta clean my room now because I am just, and I gotta wash my brushes. Oh my god. Okay, I'm stressed. Showered and I did my hair, and that's it. I cleaned my room, so we are nice and clean. The bed is made. Got everything just nice and put together. I did clean my makeup sponges, but I didn't clean my brushes, so that's on my to-do list for the next time. But I'm so grateful everything is nice and fresh and clean. My bathroom is clean. We're good to go for the week. So with that being said, I'm gonna end it here, and I will have a video for you on Thursday. I know I am going to be doing, I'm going to be sharing with you some skincare stuff too, so I will be doing that soon. And I got the new stuff from e.l.f., so I'm excited for that as well. So if you are waiting for a skincare video, it's coming. Be patient with me and I will have it for you. I think I'm going to start with oily skin first. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Toodles!